Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. I've got a underwear subscription to unbox with you, and it is Oddballs. This is how it arrives through the post. It's got my address on the back there. So as always, if you're new to Oddballs, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you're just curious and seeing what I received in this month's subscription, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Oddballs is an online underwear store and subscription box established in 2014 with two main aims: to provide you with the best underwear and to raise awareness for testicular cancer. They are proud to donate, make and support to some amazing charities, and to date have raised in excess of over £400,000. Each month they release a brand new design of underwear to subscribers first, and then they are added onto their website for general sale. They offer 12 different subscriptions, and they offer subscriptions for men, women, teens and children as well, which ranges from a sock subscription, which will cost £7.99 a month, to a bralette and sock subscription, which will cost you £14.99, and all the other subscriptions in the middle are £9.99. Now, you can either opt for their very unique, bold, edgy designed underwear, or you can opt for a classic, which is generally a plain colour. There's lots of different styles of underwear you can go for. For instance, for the women, when I first took out this subscription, I had seamless briefs, which are lovely, which I think I'm going to get more of next time. And last month and this month I went for their briefs, which are a little bit bigger and thicker. They are really lovely. I was meant to switch up to go for women's boxers, but I completely forgot about it. You're able to switch around your subscription choices in your account, but yeah, I completely forgot. So the sizes for the men's underwear start from a extra small to a 3XL, and the UK underwear sizes start from a UK 6 to a UK size 20, and the socks range from the UK size 1 to 3 up until 11 to 12. So I think that's it as far as information goes. All links and everything related to the subscription, plus I believe they do have a code on their website that entitles you to receive 10% off your first subscription. So if that is a code, I will put it down in my description, but it could be just as soon as you sign up for an account you automatically get 10% off. I can't remember now. I didn't claim the 10% off with my first one. I didn't know until afterwards, but never mind. So yeah, you will find all the information listed down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get into showing you what I've got. So as well as my underwear pieces, I've got some really gorgeous brightly coloured cards here. So this one is win £100 Oddball gift voucher by sharing a photo of you in your Oddballs underwear on social media. It's a card. It's a little card, look. It says Merry Christmas. And it says, thank you so much for your support this year. You've kept us smiling through the Zoom quizzes, failed home workouts and loo rolls shortages. As a thank you, here is 20% off everything. Ho 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 20. Share it with friends and family, or just treat yourself to something colourful. Have a great Christmas from our Oddballs family to yours. I'll pop that code down below. For my subscription, I pay £9.99 and I receive a pair of knickers and some socks. So I'm a size 8 in shoes, but for socks, I tend to go for larger. I tend to go for men's. Just prefer them. I opted for size 7 to 10, which is perfect for me. I love their socks. Absolutely love it. I think this is the 3rd month I've been subscribed for now. And yeah, I really love them. I love the fact they're a little bit longer. I keep on saying in all my videos, they're a little bit longer so that I'm able to wear them with boots, not a problem. They've got the Oddballs logo there. They're just really nice and soft. Really great quality. Yeah, I really do like those. I love the colours. And then for my knickers, so I went for a size 16, and these are Peacock Ladies briefs. And on the back here, I read it out in my last video. It provides information for people to check for testicular cancer, and it's got some facts here, like the prominent cancer in men aged 15 to 49. Over 98% of men with testicular cancer in the UK are cured, Around 2,400 UK men are diagnosed with testicular cancer each year. Twice as many British men get testicular cancer as they did in the 70s. So yeah, so I think that's really, really good. Great awareness there. I just love their designs. They're just so quirky. I love the bright turquoise. It's really, really pretty. So yeah, again, amazing quality. All the underwear I've received from them are really amazing quality. Their briefs are quite thick, really nice. They've got a good waistband going on there. Yeah, I do really, really like these. It's got here, it's cotton stretch, size 16, machine wash, 30 degrees, or wash them when they smell. They've got a really, really great website. It's full of information. They've started doing PJs as well, but I think they've sold out now. So I think they've released some. They sold out pretty quick. So if they release them again, I don't know, I might look into having a pair of PJs with them. As I've already tried this style on before, I'm not going to try them on now. Not that I tried them on in my video. I'll never do that. But I went off camera last time, tried them on, then came back and told you about them. Really great size for me. I'm a 16 to 18. For underwear, I prefer them snug. I just don't want to be hiking them up, you know? Just, oh, it annoys the heck out of me. I'd rather them be a little bit tight than a little bit loose then. And yet these fit just perfectly because of the wide stretchy waistband. They don't budge. They stay put and they fit beautifully. They are really, really good. Plus they cover my bottom rather well as well. So yeah, really nice. I do really like the seamless ones as well. They were really comfy. They just didn't feel like I was wearing any at all. So there you go. So hopefully next month you will see me unboxing the ladies' boxer shorts. I'll show you what they are like. That's my Oddballs underwear subscription for December. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this subscription? Do you subscribe yourself, or do you subscribe for your partner or children, etc.? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, even if you're watching this wondering if this is for you or not. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.